Here's a typical thing that irks me about amp handles. The brackets are made to cause the handle to fail. Now here's an amp that's never been gigged. It's only been moved around my shop, you know, whatever, a dozen times or so. And if you look inside there, it's already, let me show you if I can make this bigger. The leather is already starting to blacken and show signs of wear from this metal edge right here. So I took one of these brackets, I sliced it out on that side, sliced it out on that side, and then took 2 pairs of pliers and bent the angle up, as you can see. So now when you pick it up, this is not touching. I'll show you how I did it. Just be careful with your hands, and it's easier to do it by hand. Okay, see how far I did it? Now flip it around and do the other side. Don't cut too fast. Let the tool do the work. Just going to even it up a little bit. Ooh, that's hot. There we go. Okay. Now, take 2 good solid pairs of pliers. Come into here and give it a nice bend. And also watch your eyes, because the Dremel shoots sparks. Okay, another thing that I would advise you to do is take some 220 sandpaper, or I'm using a 220 fret eraser, and come in here and give it a little shine. Get rid of whatever burrs you might feel on here from the adjustment, because the pliers may dig in and leave some bumps and lumps that may go into your leather. Don't be afraid to shine the actual metal surface itself, as well as the edge. Okay, so, and when you're doing this on the Dremel, make sure you put on safety goggles, because it throws sparks. Okay. Perfect. Okay, now when it's installed, it's got a nice comfortable break angle. So if I were lifting this, you could see it just barely touches.